Hey you guys, Cartoon Mr. Rickman coming at you for your lesson for this week. We have a short week, but we are going to do a project that is called Designed to Help. And the reason why we're calling that is because sometimes artists create artwork that are designed to help out people. And in Denver International Airport, you guys call it DIA, where most of you guys fly out of, there used to be a sculpture that was created by a woman named Patty Ortiz. And Patty Ortiz is an artist who creates installation artwork, which means she creates artwork that puts people into her art. It's artwork that you can experience. And she's most famous for her sculpture that was in DIA. It was called Experimental Aviation, and it was really amazing because when you got off of the trains at DIA, if you looked up, you would see these amazing paper airplane sculptures. They look like they were made out of paper, but they are actually made out of steel. And they kind of went around and up an escalator and then out into the main area. And basically, what they were designed to do is to try to show people where to go. Instead of just using boring old signs, DIA decided to use an artist's work to help point people the direction they were supposed to go. So they asked Miss Ortiz if she would make a piece of art that kind of pointed and guided people to go in a certain direction and make it interesting. And she thought, oh, well, it's an airport, paper airplanes, they all point the same direction, it'll tell people where to go. So she created this amazing installation, and I thought, what a great idea for what we need in our building. Because we want, as you remember, everybody in our school to go in the same direction. We have a one-way hallway. And rather than just putting up boring old signs, I thought we need something that's like Miss Ortiz's art. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a collection of paper airplanes that we're going to hang from the ceiling to guide people in the direction we want them to go. But we don't want all the same airplanes, so we're going to use different color paper, we're going to do different messages on them, and I thought it would be more interesting if we had different plane designs as well. So kindergartners and first graders, you guys are going to do a plane design that is a really cool plane design. It's the classic plane design that I grew up making. Second and third graders, you guys are doing a different plane design, and I love it. It's a really amazing, a little bit harder to make. Fourth and fifth graders, you guys are doing a glider design, and the glider design is the one I used to love when I was older, and it's a really amazing design. They fly really far, actually. Now, we're not just going to do the origami of folding these paper airplanes, we're also going to put the message to all of our students, hey, we need you going this direction. So on the bottom of our planes, we're going to decorate them with the following sayings. Things like follow me or right this way or come on this way. And we're going to draw that on the bottom of our planes. Then we're going to hang them up from the ceiling, and we're going using fishing line, and we're going to put them all the way around the building so that when people walk into our building and they look up, they see a bunch of airplanes and they're all leading them the same direction. So we're going to use art designed to help people know which direction they should go. I can't wait to see all of our airplanes hanging up. So if you look after this video, there are step-by-step directions on how to fold the kindergarten through first grade, the second and third grade plane, and the fourth and fifth grade plane. You can go ahead and skip ahead to the one that you will be creating, and feel free to pause the video and when you guys are doing your folds, and then go ahead and play it again when you're ready to go. So, real Mr. Rickman is going to walk you through how to make those. I can't wait to see what all of our planes look like. See you guys.